The case known as Brown versus the Board of Education took place in Kansas and included appeals from decisions of 4 separate states: Kansas, Delaware, South Carolina, and Virginia.
The case of Brown versus Board of Education is basically about segregated schools. Even though the blacks were free from slavery, discrimination was still occurring. The law didn't do anything about it because of a previous court ruling, Plessy v. Ferguson, stated that separate but equal facilities were legal. Honestly, it wasn't near equal, as whites attended only white fancy schools and blacks attended only blacks inferior schools.
13 parents volunteered to participate in the case. Everything started in the summer of 1950 when Oliver Brown decided to take his daughter, Linda Brown, to the school closest to the place they lived at. The rest of the parents that volunteered followed his lead and did the same thing. All were denied admissions because the school were for whites only. Oliver was so mad that he sued the Board of Education, which took place at Kansas District Court. There, the district court ruled against the parents, but accepted the evidence that the children were affected by the segregation going on. Oliver didn't think that was enough, so he took it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. At the Supreme Court in 1954, Oliver and the rest of the parents fought their point, showing how the idea that separate but equal is actually unlawful.
The Supreme Court decided that segregation was unconstitutional. This brought in its encouragement and courage to begin the civil rights movement later on.